Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature, which article directories should you submit your articles to? And also, do you know about these 5 top-tier article directories? There are an ever-increasing number of article directories springing up, attempting to take advantage of the popularity that has become of writing articles as a form of website promotion. What people are unsure of, however, is which of these sites to post their article to. In this article I write about the article directories which are, in my opinion, the best of the best. My picks, the top 5 top-tier article directories. Ezinearticles. Ezinearticles was where I recommend you post your first article. This directory was recommended to me by a friend and in my opinion, is certainly one of the best. Each article is reviewed before being accepted. This is not true of many of the other directories, especially the newer sites. When you search for the title of your article a few days after it has been accepted by Ezinearticles, when you use the Google search engine, you will normally be able to see it highly placed in the results. If you are only planning on submitting your article to one directory, this is the one I would advise that you use. Articles. Many people have told me that they prefer to use articles when looking for an article to add to their site. For this reason alone, you may want to consider submitting your article to this directory. Article Alley. The thing I like about Article Alley is that they also include the article you submit to them on one or two of their sister sites. This is without you needing to do any extra work. Additional exposure is always good. Article Dashboard. I have been advised that this directory is becoming increasingly popular and is one where I plan to be posting my articles to. The site has a page rank of 6, which is always a good sign. Idea Marketers. This directory is my 5th choice in order of merit and has many interesting articles. Check it out when you can. Conclusion, and the takeaway. It is hard to know how many of these directories people should be submitting their articles to. I have been given lots of different advice on this subject and have decided to come up with my own conclusion. These are the other article directories I use. Amazines. Content Desk. Ezine.net. Yee. Ezinear. Impact Articles. Active eAuthors. Morgan Article Archive. Article Feeder. Article City. Netterweb. Simply search for it. Link Snoop. Article Hub. Article Locker. The one thing to remember is to only submit original content. Private label articles are becoming popular in some quarters. However, I would advise avoiding these at all costs. Let me know which article directories you use, and what your experience has been. I hope article marketing brings you as many rewards as it has for me. I hope you have found my podcast to be helpful in answering your questions concerning which article directories you should submit your articles to. I hope you have found my podcast to be helpful in answering your questions concerning my 8 tips to help you stand out and be truly authentic in your business. Please share your sentiments in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.